Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to ask for location permission on X, the app formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The process is simple, but with the new update, the settings have shifted a bit. So let's break it down step by step. First, open the Twitter app on your computer. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're signed into your account. You'll notice a few icons at the top of the screen. Look for the three dots in the upper right corner. Click on them to open a small menu filled with different options. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy. You'll want to click there next. This will open a new window with all the privacy-related settings that control what kind of information the app can access. Inside that privacy menu, choose Manage Privacy Settings. This is where things get interesting. This area allows you to specify which permissions X can use on your PC. Things like your camera, microphone, and of course, your location. Next, click on Permissions for this site. This will show you all the permissions the Twitter app currently has or can request. Take a moment to review them, because it's always good to stay aware of what's being shared. Now scroll down to the Location section. You should see a few options like Allow, Block, and Ask. Choose Ask. This option tells your PC to prompt you each time X wants to use your location. It's a great balance between privacy and convenience. You'll stay in control while still giving access when needed. Once you've selected Ask, you're all done. Every time the app needs your location, your browser or the desktop version of X will notify you, letting you decide whether or not to share it. That's it. Quick, easy, and you've just learned how to manage your location permission settings on X with the new update. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like the video and check out more guides on how to stay smart and secure online. Thanks for watching.